The Horse and the Lion. Once upon a time, there was a lion who lived in a forest. He was old and was not strong enough to catch a prey. One day, the old lion saw a deer drinking water. The lion thought, "I want to eat this deer, but I'm weak now." Thus, the lion thought of a plan to fool the animals and eat them. He sent a message that he was a learned doctor. Now, all the animals started visiting him to get cured. However, in fact, the lion killed all the animals and ate them. However, an alert horse did not believe that the lion could cure animals. Thus, he went and said, "Dr. Lion, a thorn is stuck in my back foot." The horse saw that the lion was about to pounce on him. So, he kicked the lion with all his might. The lion was shocked and he was also badly hurt. He cried loudly and the horse went away safe and happy. Moral: it is always wise to test the enemy who suddenly turns friendly. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to my channel because learning never ends. Bye.